Hello, Sophia.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Leah.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, today we'll talk about classroom. Okay, can you tell me this one, Sophia?
Is student.
Student.
Student. Is backbone. Teacher. Ruler.
Do you have a ruler?
Don't.
Okay.
School bag.
Do you have a school bag?
Yes, I don't.
Is your school bag big or small?
It's big.
Okay. What color is your school bag?
It's green.
Okay.
Pencil.
Okay. Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I don't.
Okay. This one.
Desk.
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 Okay. So, Leah, can you tell me this one?
Student.
Okay.
His blackboard. His teacher. His ruler. His school bag.
Do you have a school bag?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your school bag?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What color is your school bag?
Is pink and white.
Okay. This one.
It's that. Pencil.
So, Hannah,
It's a children. Blackboard.
blackboard.
Blackboard. Teacher. Ruler. School bag.
Do you have a school bag?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your school bag?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is your school bag big or small?
It is big.
Okay.
Desk. Pencil.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, Sophia, can you show me the pencil? Okay. Leah, can you show me the desk? Hannah, can you show me the teacher? Okay. What color is this?
It's green.
Okay. Sophia, what color is this?
It's teacher.
The color?
It's pink.
Pink. Okay. Hannah, what color is this?
It's blue.
Blue. Do you like blue?
No.
Okay. So, Sophia, can you show me the school bag? Okay. Can you tell me this color?
It's blue and yellow.
Okay. Leah, can you show me the blackboard? Do you have a blackboard?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is your blackboard big or small?
It's small.
Okay. Sophia, can you show me the desk? Okay. Is your do you have a desk?
Yeah, do.
Is your desk big or small?
Big.
Okay. So, Hannah, can you show me the ruler? Can you show me the student? Okay. So, can you tell me this color? Leah?
It's orange.
Okay. Sophia, can you tell me this color?
It's blue.
Okay. So Hannah, can you tell me this color?
It's yellow.
Okay. So now Sophia, can you fill this? Fill. Okay.
Blackboard. Teacher. Pencil. Ruler. Desk. School bag.
Okay. Now Leah, can you fill?
Is student.
Okay.
Blackboard.
Okay.
Teacher. Is ruler. Is pencil. Is desk. Is school bag.
Okay. Now, Hannah, can you fill this?
Is student.
Okay.
Is a desk. Is school bag.
Okay.
Is teacher. Is pencil. Is blackboard. Is ruler.
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining.
Goodbye, teacher.